Hello, welcome back to Mitford Pottery, and this video is an agateware mug but from a slightly different angle. So we've got the camera over there. Only thing is, to me, the image is upside down. Oh no, that's it. There we go, got it. Right, black and plum coloured ES5. Get it on the wheel, get it stuck. So these bats are not great for sticking to. These are water resistant MDF. Not as good as marine ply, but half the price. So just going to centre it. Push it down. Lean on it a little bit, push it into the middle of the wheel, make sure it's stuck. Some water on, I'm going to cone it up. Cone it up. So I want it getting on for nearly twice the height of your hand to give us some height to push back down on the clay. So plenty of water on it, so we don't want to stop halfway if we can avoid it. So like that, top of the cone, push forward and then push down, and then brace your arm on the tray, holding that stops it going wobbly. Give it a double check just to make sure. There we go. Then we put our hole in the middle. So press our thumb down till it dries. Add a bit of water. And push our thumb down to the base. Then we're going to open the bottom out. Apply gentle pressure. And then any lumps and bumps at the bottom, this is the chance you have to smooth them all off. And it helps, it compacts the base as well, so less prone to accidents when it goes in the kiln. Now we'll just give that a mop out. So that's it. So now we can slow our wheel a bit. Some water on. I'm going to curve it over. Like so. And again lose a little bit more speed. And now we can start to lift. So water inside and out. And I use my thumb and my fingers to nip the clay. And even that out. So that first lift's relatively quick. And it changes it's like a donut of clay into a flat wall of clay. And from then on, we're progressively reduce the speed on our wheel and we start to lift. So push in, push out, less pressure as we get about halfway, less pressure as we get to the top. Stabilise that top. Make sure we got water inside and out, and again, so push in and push out, grab that clear at the bottom. Now I wouldn't lose a bit of speed. Some water on the inside and the outside. So now we're looking for a little bit of height. Drag that clay up. Right. So we're nearly there. And this time, stabilise that top. And I'm thinking one more, because it's not particularly high. So we'll make sure we've got plenty of water on our cup. And I think it's more here where we can get the clay from, so adjust the pressure of where we are on the pot, so just gentle nip at the bottom. And slightly more pressure as we get to the top, just to drag that clay out, to even it out. Bit of water on. So that's our height. We use our wooden rib. I'm going to slow the wheel again. And there we're going to just finalise our shape, and I'm just going to push the clay to the rib. It's a decent shape. So I found that just helps compacts the clay a little bit. Right, I'm going to tidy some of this water out of the way, so we can see what's going on. Got that inside. Like so. Chamois leather, top edge. Like so. Throwing stick, trim the little bit of excess clay off the base. Like so. Now we're ready for the metal rib. Make sure that's clean. So metal rib, wetted hand for the inside, and then we're just going to scrape the outside to reveal the grain. And there you have an agate ware mug. Get the water out the inside. Top edge looks okay, and we want a little undercut in the bottom. run this metal rib on the bottom edge again, just to get rid of any unsightly marks. And that is done. So thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, all of that malarkey, and clears the way, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye for now.